My fellow Fijians, Nisambul Vinaka, Namaste, Ni Hao, Assalamu alaikum, Nai Maori, and a very good morning to you all. This morning, I've just had my jab. Around me, the medical team from the Ministry of Health, and I'd like to thank government and the officials for providing the vaccine for all of us. My plea to you, fellow Fijians, please come forward and have yourself vaccinated. Navalev, and may God bless you.
Thank you.
Ah,